Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can make your own music audio by using this AI. So what is this AI called? So let me show you. Let's go to the Google. Here in the Google, you need to search for SUNO AI. I'll also leave the link in the description as well. So make sure to check that out. Here in this first, let's open it up. And here you go. That's the interface for this website. If you click on the sound, these songs are purely made by AI. If you click on this one, you can hear this one. So how you can make your own song with that? For that, let's go to make a song. And here you need to sign up for this. You can use Discord, your Google, your Microsoft account. Let me just sign in for a second. And here it is. If you click any of these songs, you can hear it. It's very impressive, and these songs are purely made by AI. So there is no singer here, no music artist or anything. These are the verses for this song. So you can create your own song with this. Just click on create. You will be given the credits. Mainly there are 50, but I have already used this to make these two songs. You can also upgrade your account by using the subscribe. And let's create. Click on this custom mode so you can add your own lyrics, your music style, and also the title of your song. If you have lyrics, you can put it right here and select the music style. Let's make the lyrics right from the beginning. For that, I'll use the AI. You can use ChatGPT or anything else. You can write here, make the song about your YouTube video. So I've written the prompt for the song, and that is make a 2-verse song about YouTube channel name Startupology World, who teaches the tutorials. So let's hit enter. You can also use a ChatGPT for this purpose as well. Let's copy this and then paste it right here. This is over the lyrics. Let's make it a hip hop style. Just name is at the Startupology World. So we added the lyrics, the music style, and the title. Let's click on create. This will take some time to create your song. And now it's ready. Let's play it.
Startupology World, making videos every day, teaching us things in a fun way. Tutorials on business and tech, helping entrepreneurs stretch and reach. Editing clips, recording the screen, sharing his knowledge, living the dream. Thumbs up and subscribe if you please. Startupology helps us learn with ease.
This is mind-blowing, isn't it?
Startupology World, making videos every day, teaching us things in a fun way. Tutorials on business and tech, helping entrepreneurs stretch and reach.
You can also play with the style of music. You can add your own lyrics. I think it's just mind-blowing. You can also check out their terms and conditions because you can't use the free version of the song without giving them credits. But if you have premium plans, you can use this song commercially. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.